Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the fob type and getting a fresh CR 2032 battery. This matters because polarity and thickness affect contact. Once ready, remove the mechanical key by pressing the release and sliding it out. Then use a small flathead at the seam. Apply gentle leverage to pry halves apart. Do this slowly to avoid breaking plastic clips. Make sure to work on a soft cloth so the tiny spring and screw, if present, don't roll away, and keep the battery orientation in mind. Once the fob is open, remove the old CR 2032 and inspect the contact springs for corrosion. A quick dry wipe improves conductivity. Place the new battery in the same orientation, typically plus face up, so the spring contacts press correctly. This is crucial for signal and hold time. Then align the circuit board and housing carefully. Press the halves together until you hear clips engage. If there's a rubber gasket, make sure it sits flat to preserve splash resistance and button feel. After reassembly, reinsert the mechanical key and test every button from a few feet away. Confirm lock, unlock, trunk, and panic work. If a button is intermittent, open and reseat the battery, making sure contacts are clean and the battery sits flush. Once done, you may need to reprogram the remote if the car doesn't recognize it. Try the vehicle reprogramming steps in the owner's manual. If that fails, consult a dealer or locksmith with key programming tools for diagnostic support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.